Hey there, DeWalt FlexVolt battery is acting dead and doesn't want to keep charge. Don't ditch it just yet. FlexVolts have a secret weapon, built-in fuses. These little fellas can be the reason your battery seems kaput. If you're handy with a soldering iron, let's see if we can bring your FlexVolt back to life. This battery has 3 of these fuses. If a leg looks broken, that's probably the culprit. Now comes the tricky part. Solder the fuse in nice and clean using a spare wire, making sure that connection is strong. Once the new fuse is in place, snap the battery housing back together, and voila, the battery's back in action, ready to power through any project.